Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We're out here on a very sunny early spring day, yet still fairly cold, and we got some wind blowing, which doesn't help that either. But anyway, we're fresh off of the last video that I uploaded, which was me finally bringing home the third possible replacement engine block for old Caterpillar D2 number 5J1113. And in that video, I mentioned how I had a lot of friends that stepped up and really helped me out and not only sourced that block, but got it stripped down and practically got it shipped to my front door. And the comment section contained several, references to how, in general, the old tractor people, the tractor community is made up of pretty good people. We all kind of help each other out, and usually good things always come of it. So I'm here today to continue that trend. So just the other day, another one of my friends reached out to me looking for some help. He's a fellow YouTuber as well, goes by Kenny Kizzle. I'll put a link to his channel down below. Go ahead and click on that. He does a lot of tractor repair stuff, hits a lot of shows, goes on tractor rides, puts a lot of that up there. You guys won't be disappointed. Go check him out. Give him some views. Click the subscribe button. Just, you're not going to be disappointed. I'll vouch for him. But anyway, he contacts me the other day wondering if I'd help him spread the word about a new project that he's starting up. He's got a 1942 Farmall H tractor. As we make our way over here to my 45 Farmall H, I figured it'd tie in well. But he wants to take that 42H and turn it into a restoration series on his channel. But it's not so much just about the restoration of the tractor. There's a reason why he's doing it. He wants to turn it into kind of a showpiece, kind of a memorial project for his mother. And he also wants to use it to raise awareness for mental health issues and suicide. His mother was always very supportive of him with his tractor hobby as he was growing up, but unfortunately she battled some mental health issues, and as a result in 2017 they lost her because of that. So he's got a GoFundMe account that he's set up. He's looking for donations to kind of jumpstart the project. I've already personally donated, and I'll also put a link to his GoFundMe account down below the video here. It's a very worthy cause. He's a real stand-up guy. I mean, I'll vouch for him. He's got a goal, and he's trying to reach that goal, but 100% of that money is going to go to the restoration and the rebuild of that tractor. Anything that's left over is also going to be donated to a nonprofit charity that also deals with mental health issues. So it's a very good cause, and I strongly urge you guys to go click on his channel, check it out, click on the GoFundMe link. If you got a few extra bucks, donate. It's a very, very worthy cause, and every bit of the monetization from this video I'm gonna also put towards that cause. So it's a very worthwhile thing. So now that we got that out of the way, I want to see if I can get my old H started today. Like I said before, it's very cold out here. We got some wind blowing, which you've probably already heard on the camera, but I'm going to throw the battery in this thing, check some fluids, and we're going to see what happens. See if we can get it going. If we get it going, we'll take her for a spin. We'll get the cover off her first. At one point this winter, the snow was right up to these side rails on the engine. It was not nice. Battery goes in. Still run the old 6-volt system on this, so she's a positive ground. Get the negative. I'll come down here and check the oil. Open that top one. I expect there's going to be something. At least I thought there was going to be something. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, look at that. We got oil. I still got that straight 30 in here from doing the field work last year, so the contents of this crankcase are going to be a little bit thick today. See if we got water, coolant. I doubt you guys can see. Oh yeah, it's wet in there yet. She didn't freeze last winter, which is good, because because we had some minus 35-degree nights, and that's Fahrenheit. We are going to need some fresh go juice though. When I parked it here last fall, I could see the bottom of the tank. And that didn't get any better this winter. The gas turned on now, and we'll just see what happens. There's no end to the ways this tractor can get you after it's sat all winter. Points could be dirty, it might not have spark. Starter switch contacts could be dirty, it might not crank. Sometimes when the starter is cold on this, the drive doesn't want to come out and engage the ring gear and it just free spins. We'll see what happens. A little bit of throttle, some choke, neutral. I expect it to be slow with that thick oil. We got a pop. Come on, old girl. She sputtered a little bit at first, but it's smoothing out now. We're charging. Got all pressure. It's like I got a generator belt that could stand a little bit of tightening, but her idle was a little bit rough there at first, but she smoothed out again now. Got some heat in and all 4 cylinders come back to life. Let's see if it moves, huh? Brakes off. Reverse. Let's clutch out and see. Oh yeah. She lives. Tell you, that rear end grease is still thick enough from being cold that it only has a kind of bad gear whine instead of the horrendous bad gear whine that it normally has. Let's go see what's happening down by the road. Still muddy out here with all the melt. Wonder if I can break some ice without getting stuck. Let's just see what happens. Too much fun. Dang it, now we got muddy wheels. There's only one way I know how to clean that off. That's 5th gear. Well, there, the old H fired right up without really any drama. Pretty happy with it. I got to do an oil change yet, check belt tension, grease all the appropriate points, and like check the other fluid levels like hydraulic and stuff. But overall, pretty happy with the old girl. She lives again. Now we've got the fun out of the way. Like I said, go click on Kenny's channel. I got the link down below. He can tell you what his plans are for that 42H, probably better than I can. But if you guys want another tractor restoration series to follow, there you go. When I did the mechanical rebuild on my H, shoot, that was back in 2009 already. I I didn't have YouTube back then, so I wasn't able to chronicle any of it. So if you guys want to see an H get rebuilt, that's your place to do it. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you back again.